Hey, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit, very briefly, because apparently I'm just a giant fucking shill now. Some time ago, I asked you guys, I had always been like, I'm never going to do this, I'm never going to do that, I don't want to be a sellout, I don't want to be seen as this, that, or the other thing. And I thought I was sticking to my morals, and then somebody decided to say, well, why don't you have this? Why don't you have a Patreon? Why don't you have an Amazon page? Why aren't you an affiliate? Why aren't you trying to make a little bit of money off this stuff? And I'm like, you know what? In this today's economy, I think you're right. So I actually put a vote out there for people. I made a YouTube video. I made a TikTok video. I put it on Rumble, on Odyssey. I put it on every stinking platform I could find. And one person said, don't do it. Everybody else said, do it. So I went and I did it. And I'm not upset about it. But I want you guys to understand what I'm doing. So yeah, I am an Amazon affiliate. I have a marketplace of stuff that I like. Yeah, I do affiliate with certain things like Pecron and EMP Shield. And there's another one. And by the way, I just had another offer. Oh my God, I'm getting offers out the ass now. They want me to have their products and say good things about them, or just tell them they're trash. Because you know me, I'll do that. So I made a video saying, hey, it's time to join the club. Because you know what? I can't make videos for everybody. Not everything in life is free, guys. And I think as adults, we should all know that. So for the past 4 days, I've been making videos for my Patreons. And then kind of slipping into TikTok from time to time and saying, guys, maybe you should be checking this out. And sure as shit, they started doing it. You know, because I'm going to places like this. And I'm showing people things like this. And I'm spending days on end in places like this. And I'm bonding with a network of friends who are like-minded individuals who want to see and do these things and want advice, and they want to be part of a community that they can't seem to find anywhere else. So I'm trying to build that. So this message is simple. To all you on YouTube that still, I won't even say YouTube because I'm going to post this everywhere. To all you everywhere that think that somehow because I'm trying to make a few extra dollars so I don't have to pay $7, for a gallon of gas, or I don't have to wonder where my next meal's coming from, even though I've got tons of preps. It's just logical to think that way. In order to keep doing these things for you guys, I could just turn this channel off in a heartbeat. And some would care and some wouldn't. But I could just turn it off in a heartbeat and just go do things that make me happy. I get to keep doing this stuff. And I get to doing this stuff for $3 a damn month. And I did the math, and it's cheaper to be a Patreon than it is to buy stuff off my Amazon page. And that's where I'd prefer you to be anyway. To the dipstick to this person who said that I used to have something great. Now you're just like all these other 50 shills. Yeah, that really hit hard. It did. But after thinking about it and after talking to my network and looking around in the world to these beautiful places that I'm in and the things that I get to do, Mister, you don't know what you're talking about. All I've done is gotten a little better. Okay, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, join the Patreon, be part of the cool club, and we'll see you when we see you. Bye-bye.